Hey guys, today we got Dino for the past, and today we're gonna dig the dinosaur out. Let me show. Okay, now it's open. Got a hammer, magnifying glass. This is for holding, drill a hole in, and then like that. This brush. Okay, and now we're gonna get this out. Okay, now we got everything out. Now it's trying to get the fossils. Okay, look, it's broken. Okay, now first I want to tell you what are these footprints. These are called trace fossils. Not fossils, trace fossils. Okay, now we drill further. But very gently. Fossils are very old. Okay, now we have punctuated some holes. Now let's drill further in. Now take the brush, leave some dust. I did it. I'm gonna take that fossil out. Not yet. Huh? I found something. look. Two fossils out. Actually, there's more than that. Oh wait, this one's stuck toward here, and this one's over here. This one's over here. This one's over here. So I'm not completely done. Ooh, one black over here, which means let's drill it. Ooh. Let's start with here. And boom. Let's go. Huh? I feel something. And where's my brush? I wonder what this is. Hey guys, now we nearly got every fossil out. We're done with the chest. Oh, and we got all these rocks on. Oh, what we do with these rocks is and now what we're missing is this, the skull. Because we have a mini dinosaur, see? and now we have to dig out the massive skull. Hey guys, so today we completed the statue fossil. And it looks good, right? Now bye bye. See you next time.